Ikshita, can you explain your mind map?
Ma'am, my mind map is basically like in reference to the site. What will I do with it when I develop it into a park? Like what kind of people will visit there, what it needs, and what I want. The site I chose is actually back home in Kolkata. Trend that I've seen in that particular place, and how I would like to like use the park to change that, because what happens there is there's like this generation gap kind of a thing. The old people, they rarely interact with the younger ones, and I want my park to like overcome that, because we need to interact with people as well as nature. So this explains that.
Can you start turning whatever you have written into graphics? This is going to be an exercise for all of you to learn to express through drawings than words. Because we find that most kids write a lot, but they don't draw.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll try, ma'am.
So you have the climatic data of Kolkata,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have all these, the humidity and the wind speed, very nice, and the soil.
Yes.
So now what I need from you is the site size. You
Yes.
need to know the length and breadth of the site. Yeah. You need to know more about the surroundings, because this doesn't give us an
Yes.
idea. Okay.
Ma'am, this is basically in like the middle of a very residential area.
Very
This is
good.
the
Very
place.
good. So can you draw the residential area? Can you draw that these are homes here? Again, just hand draw. So I'll just go to whiteboard and say what I'm saying. Love the whiteboard, Sonam. So Ipshita, your plot is something like this.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
And I see trees here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I see parking here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that means there's a road here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if there's a road here or there are apartments.
No, this side is road. The other areas there are like houses.
Yeah, okay, houses. Uh-huh. So these are houses here. So that means they're on a plot and there is a building, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. Hmm. So there's probably a road in between, or there isn't. So this is one more plot here.
No, just this main road and like not proper roads, like kind of like alleys you can walk.
Yeah, there is an alley here. Okay. So this alley comes. So then there is a house here. And there is. So there is this tree. There are probably 3, 4 trees.
Yes, ma'am.
Are there only trees, or this is mango tree, and this is neem tree? You'll have to write it, and this is say again mango, or there is something else here. Draw all that and start saying, okay, here is a, let's say this is a house which has views.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is a school, and the kids can come.
Yes, ma'am.
So if the kids come, what do I do about the road? How do I design the road that the kids can come? So you go beyond. No? Now, if this is an alley, is this the way that I make the entrance rather than from here? So people, everybody else, so there is a road here and they can walk, and this is a quiet one which brings you here. Okay. So can you draw these? And this is for everybody, one is asking. One is not saying only for Ipshita, but we're going beyond. So this is the observation. The observation is not only through the Google, but we also start being there. So Ipshita, you'll have to walk all over here. And at different times of the day. And start noticing what happens in this corner, or what happens in this corner, or what can you do in this corner. You become very familiar with this space and think of it like, yeah, I have to do some things here. You should know this corner so well. Is it where the old people should come and say they walk from here and they come and sit here, and we say this is where the younger people are playing, but this houses should not get sound and they can get better stuff, so maybe the trees come here or something else. You'll have to start thinking. So it's for everybody.